How AI is used in smart cars. Leading the way in AI-powered car technology, AI-driven smart car technology, employing 1. Autopilot in ADAS, semi-autonomous driving via cameras, radar, and sensors. 2. Object detection, accurate identification of road elements for safer driving. 3. Predictive analytics, forecasting movements to prevent collisions. 4. Sensor fusion, combining sensor data for comprehensive environmental awareness. 5. NLP and voice recognition, hands-free control for convenience and safety. 6. Parking assistance, maneuvering into tight spaces for easier parking. Learn how Akitra can help you achieve compliance quickly by requesting a demo at akitra.com.